welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is The Functions of a Noun in a Sentence. तो एक noun का क्या function होता है एक sentence में? That is all what we are going to read in this chapter. So let us begin very quickly and see what they are telling us. So, nouns can have several functions in sentences. तो nouns के बहुत सारे functions हो सकते हैं एक sentence में, यानी कि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो वो perform कर सकते हैं, right? They can act as the subject of a verb, object of a verb, complement of a linking verb, object of a preposition, object complement after a transitive verb, and an adjective used before another noun. तो ये सब्जेक्ट के वर्ब की तरह काम कर सकते हैं, वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम कर सकते हैं, लिंकिंग वर्ब के कॉम्प्लीमेंट की तरह काम कर सकते हैं, प्रीपोजिशन के ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम कर सकते हैं, इवन एक ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट का भी काम कर सकते हैं एक ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के बाद, एंड एन एडजेक्टिव used before another noun, right? Now, here we have nouns as subject. तो जब nouns subjects की तरह यूज किए जाते हैं तो क्या situations होती हैं? So it is, in the following sentences, the noun acts as the subject of the verb. कि इन sentences में जो हमारे nouns हैं, that are the colored words, वो verbs के subject की तरह काम कर रहे हैं. Let's read them. The child is sleeping quietly. The students didn't study hard for the tests. John and Mary live happily. Is this computer defective? Hasn't the computer been repaired yet? How disturbing Nisha can be sometimes. Right? Now, moving ahead. We have nouns as objects. यानी कि जो भी nouns हैं वो objects की तरह यूज किए जाते हैं तो क्या situations होती हैं? So in the following sentences, the nouns acts as the object of a verb. कि जो nouns हैं वो verb के object की तरह काम करती हैं. So it is, have you seen the park? Please don't disturb the teacher. Did you enjoy the match? I met John. They didn't make a noise. Right? Now, we have the other thing, which is nouns as complements of a linking verb. तो nouns complement की तरह कब यूज होते हैं एक linking verb के साथ. So, in the following sentences, the noun acts as the complement of a verb such as be, become or seem. तो इन सभी sentences में जो nouns हैं वो एक verb के complement की तरह काम करती हैं, right? जैसे कि be, become or see. So it is, he became an actor. Are you a teacher? Tomatoes make a delicious soup. Be a man. Right? Now we have a box to remember. Let's see what they are saying in this. A verb that takes a complement such as be or become is called a linking verb. एक ऐसी वर्ब जो अपने साथ एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेती हो जैसे कि बी या फिर बिकम, उसे कहा जाता है एक लिंकिंग वर्ब. राइट? नाउ, nouns as objects of a preposition. तो अब जब noun काम करते हैं preposition के objects की तरह तो क्या situations होती हैं? So it is in the following sentences, the nouns acts as the object of a preposition. कि इन sentences में जो nouns हैं वो बिल्कुल एक preposition के object की तरह काम करते हैं, right? So it is, she is in the bedroom. He was sitting under a tree. She dived into the pool. We often walk along the seashore. I spoke to Ritu. Right? So, here we have a point to remember. Let's see what it is. A preposition always has an object. कि एक preposition के पास हमेशा एक object होता ही है. Right? Next thing that we have is nouns as object complements after transitive verbs. तो अब nouns object complements की तरह यूज की जाएंगी transitive verbs के साथ. Let's see what they are saying. So in the following sentences, the noun acts as a complement after a transitive verb. कि इन सभी sentences में जो noun है वो act करते हैं complement की तरह एक transitive verb के बाद. The complement is attached to the object. कि जो complement होता है वो हमेशा object से attached होता है. Just like she told me a story. So यहाँ पर told एक transitive verb है, object me है और story is a complement. Right? And you saw कि complement जो है वो object से attached है यानी उसी के पास है. Right? They elected him leader. He promised me a job. The judges voted Aishwarya the winner. Correct? Now, next thing that we have is noun as adjectives. अब जब noun adjectives की तरह यूज होते हैं तब क्या situations होती हैं? Such as a noun can be used to describe another noun. कि एक noun को हम यूज कर सकते हैं एक दूसरे noun को describe करने के लिए भी. It can be used like an adjective. ये एक adjective की तरह यूज किया जा सकता है because it tells us more about the noun. क्योंकि adjectives हमें nouns के बारे में और information देते हैं. In the following sentences, the first noun acts as an adjective because it describes the second noun. कि इन सभी sentences में जो पहला noun है वो बिल्कुल एक adjective की तरह काम करता है क्योंकि it describes the second noun. क्योंकि ये describe करता है दूसरे noun को. Right? The library books must be returned on time. She was carrying leather bag. The Indian weather is unpredictable. They made sure to fill the petrol tank. Right? Now we have the next thing, which is a box to remember. Let's see what they're telling us in this. A lot of compound nouns are formed from two nouns. बहुत सारी compound nouns हैं जो कि दो nouns को use करके बनाई जाती हैं. With the first noun defining or describing the second. कि जो first noun होती है वो second noun को describe करती है. Right? For example, phone book, nail polish, egg cup, tree trunk, bookcase, handbag, keyboard, bar bed, picture frame, church bell, or notice board. Right? Moving ahead, we have nouns in apposition. तो अब बात की जाए nouns opposition की, so it is when two nouns are placed side by side and one noun tells us more about the other, then the second noun is said to be in opposition to the first noun. कि जो दो nouns है वो place की जाते हैं side by side और एक noun हमें बताता है दूसरे noun के बारे में, right? और फिर second noun के बारे में, तब उसे कहा जाता है in opposition to the first noun. तब वो पहले noun के opposition में मानी जाती है. In the following sentences, the noun given in color are in opposition to the ones which come before them. तो इन सभी sentences में जो colored nouns हैं वो opposition में है उन nouns के जो उनसे पहले आते हैं. Just like Shweta, my cousin, is a very good singer. So cousin जो है वो हमें बता रहा है श्वेता के बारे में कि श्वेता कौन है, right? So hence we can say कि cousin जो है वो opposition noun है श्वेता का, where श्वेता is also a noun only. The painter Hussain has just finished his latest work, right? The noun Hussain tells us who the painter is. Have you met Devanand, the evergreen star? The evergreen star tells us who Devanand is, right? Now we have examples over here. So it is James Bond, the famous spy, is a fictional character. She has gone to meet Miss Lane, the librarian. APJ Abdul Kalam, the great scientist, was elected the President of India. Bob Woolmer, the great coach, died during the World Cup matches. Virendra Sehwag, the dashing opener, is the first Indian to score 2 triple centuries. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the functions of the nouns in the sentences, right? So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.